Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us Dr. Octopus from Spider-Man No Way Home. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners, okay? Let's get started, okay? I'm going to walk you through the whole thing. At the very end, I'm going to do something that ties the whole drawing together, so stay all the way to the very end. And that's it, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is... Oh, before that, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw. I post videos all the time, so let's get going, all right? Go over here and curve line here, and that's gonna be for the top of the visor of the crewmate. Over here, I'm gonna curve a line around the corner here. Go over here on this side, curve a line around this side for this side of the visor. Underneath here. Okay, go to the top. The top of the head. Curve along the side over here. So I'm going to curve along the side. Pulling down. Go over here to the front. From the front here, I'm going to pull down. I'm going to curve the front a little bit because I want his legs to look a little bit like they're floating, because I'm going to have his tendrils out. Curve over here, so it's bent back just a little bit. Up, but it's kind of hard to do that with teddy bear feet, right? Line over here for the bottom of the waist. Curve down here. Look at his two legs right there. Kind of dangling, for at least this. It's kind of angled back. That's why I try to make them look like they're dangling. Go over here to the front. And I'm going to draw a thick line across here, or you can draw just a regular line to make it look like the shine, and circle here. Going to go to this point and this point, right? So halfway between these 2 points, go back, line on top. Go over here to the bottom, line underneath for the backpack. So I mark those 2 points. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create that backpack. So I'm going to go over here, out, down, in. Okay. Going over here, and I'm going to pull one of his arms out, but I want it to look like he's using his 2 arms to walk like he does in the movie, in No Way Home. I'm going to curve down here, and that's going to go to the down here. So I'm going to go over here this side, out, down. Gonna draw another line right here to give it thickness, that arm thickness. Go out, down. Line across as it touches the floor. Out, down here, out, and down here with the 2 claws maybe touching the ground. And I'm going to draw a line across here. Go over here to this side. The back, and this arm over here is going to be hidden a little bit behind the foot. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to pull down. Line across. Right here, these little blocks I'm putting next to it as kind of, it looks like the claws grabbing the ground. Line across. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the line all the way up the arm here. So line all the way up the arm. The line's going to be a little bit thicker. Go over here. Curve up. Curve up here. So that's for the other arms. It's gonna be sticking up. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna thicken out that arm. Try to make it the same thickness as this arm, at least as close as I can to it. Up here. Don't forget, hit the like if you like this, drawing lesson so far. Kind of helps out with the algorithm, and it just really helps if you can. But if not, I totally get it. Go over here to the front, and I'm gonna give a thickness to this arm, so the same thing's gonna swoop up. Maybe about here. Line across. Cross here. Same thing with one claw. I'm going to draw like these little blocks next to it. Line over here, maybe like the back claw sticking out. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line here. And I'm going to draw it all the way up for that arm. Yeah, it's really relaxing to do this. Just take solace and peace. Drawing is really fun. It's enjoyable. The more you enjoy drawing, the better you will be at drawing, which is ironic, right? The more you enjoy the process of learning, the more you're going to want to go back and be like, you know what? I want to learn to do that. You know what? I want to be, pretty decent at that. I could do better, like why not? And you see the excitement in it and you just get better at it. So try to enjoy it. And like I said, because I understand how sometimes it might seem like a job. You're just like, oh man. But the more you enjoy it, the better it is. Right here, I kind of want to make him look like he's floating more. So I want to draw like a shadow if I can. Like maybe down here, I can draw like a little bit of shadow underneath here. Maybe like a couple of lines right there. So it looks like he's floating above. That's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything. You guys are amazing. Cannot believe it. Stick around for the announcement after this, and I'll talk to you soon, all right? Yeah, like I said, enjoy your drawing, and I will see you 3 times every single weekday for the entire year, okay? So come here, let me know what you want, and I'll draw it. See ya. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare. And that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.